Hey guys, welcome back. Ethan Wu here. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful adventure of unboxing this right here, Ronin RS2. We're gonna unbox it and then hopefully get to check it out. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so we got the box here. Comes in this nice dark box. Gotta peel these little plastic pieces right here. Ooh. Let's see. There we go. Got the manual, the quick start guide. Pretty thick though. And then we got the case it comes in. Pretty solid case. Got a little pocket on the outside. Take a look. Pocket there. Nice firm handle. Seems like you can add a strap. Not sure if it comes with one, but we'll see. Let's get right into it. You got the camera riser for bigger cameras. You got the, not sure what this is yet. Some more little attachments, screws. Also on the top, you got the, I don't know what this is, but we got some more pieces that go with it. We got the handle, which is also the battery. We got the attachment to the gimbal, the quick release. And then we got the tripod stand, which also extends the handle. All that on the top. And then we got on the lower zipper some more styrofoam. Ooh, that red. Nice. We got the RS2 right here. And then underneath it, it's nothing. We got another zipper up top right here. Got the attachment cables. We got, I believe, the charging cord for the Ronin. And that's it. Got the hard bottom, nice. According to DJI, they claim that this can hold 4.5 kilograms or about 10 pounds of tested payload, they say. It's got the carbon fiber construction, as you can see. Very nice. It has a LCD screen now, 1.4 inch, full color LCD screen right there. Touchscreen. You got different mounting options, efficient balance between payloads, and then they claim you can get 12 hours of fast charge battery use out of this beast. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take some time to figure this out, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the camera set up on the gimbal. As you saw on the B-roll, it looks really nice, really sturdy, that carbon fiber. But yeah, this is the unboxing of the RS2 by DJI. It's awesome, it's a beast, and if you do any type of filmmaking, it definitely would help. So check it out if you can. If not, please come back to this channel, subscribe. Stay tuned for the RSC2 unboxing as well, and then we're gonna compare these two together. So yeah, peace out, love you guys. Later.